live. DJ style is completely different, and this is a great live. So yeah, people just so you know, this is not mix up live. We're just here to talk about music and business. All right. So yeah, please send them over to DJ Style on Instagram or onto the YouTube page. Please, Queenie. Boom. I need you to work here. Go into Queenie's live, type it so she can pin it. The royal crazies are demanding it.
Alright, so the crazies, DJ Style attack to the theme there.
Alright, let me deal with it.
Come, I can't see nothing else country I may have.
No problem. Yeah, I'm gonna deal with it. No problem. Alright, thank you for your patience, guys. People, you know we can't do the interview and don't have the royal crazies them here, you know? So yeah, go ahead, boom.
Whilst I was doing that, I'm just gonna pick up the sponsors of the show. The sponsors of the show, Liga, Boom Fashion, customized clothing, hosting, stylist, voiceovers, jingles, etc., etc. Ash's hair boutique, long hair, tight hair, short hair, big hair, blue hair, you know, wavy hair, all kind of different type of hair frontals. She can put them, come to your house and put them on. Carrie Culture, who's doing the production at the moment. We can video your weddings, parties, 60th, 70th, 50th, 60th, you know how it goes, anything to do with celebration of life, Girl Farm PR, DJ Styler and ICC Tours, also Dream Experience London for all your interior design, arches, etc., etc., etc. And you don't know, we have here light in the building, Queen Lady Gangster herself, Queen Way.
Girl for one queen.
Somebody said this is a BBC interview.
You never know.
We got Carib Culture. Alright, let me rest up Queenie's live here for a little bit so the people can see her. There you go, guys. Lovely view there. There you go. Alright, so Queenie, we spoke about double tap. We spoke about crosses. I don't want to speak about those two no more. But we cannot deny this huge success that double tap brought for you. Yeah, we cannot deny that. So we just want to say thank you to all the DJs that supported, all the fans them, all the supporters them, that listen to the song, buying the song, streaming the song, doing dances on TikTok, still making the song go viral. And that is, I'm going to call that song, Queenie, as a DJ, I'm going to call it an anthem. And the reason why it's an anthem for the ladies is because, yeah, it's an anthem. Because I can play it now, I can play it in 10 years' time, I can play it in 20 years' time.
Never still.
Yeah, it reminds me of, remember this song? Let me see if you remember this. You must remember this song. There's not many anthems that you can play that is always in style. This is another anthem. This is another anthem. This song here.
Girl power. Yeah, when you hear double tap, come like that first, yeah.
That's another anthem. And it's not many people can make anthems these days. Most people, they're making songs, and after 2 weeks, it's stale, and that's it, you know? Yeah. So that one there, I can't lie to you, Queenie.
It's an anthem.
It's an anthem, so well done for that. Yeah, we cannot go around it. No, we can't go around it. We can't go around it. Double tap. Now, more recently now, you have got yourself onto Sting. Now, yes, people say Amari was mixing you up and rare, but we have to give credit where it's due. I don't think it's just Amari why you would reach onto Sting, because you have to remember this, yeah? Look at it this way. Amari could be there calling out somebody's name, anybody's name, yeah? But if that person is not warranted or not good enough or has the quality to be able to understand, or worthy, or worthy enough to be on that stage, they wouldn't be at that stage, because it can't be one hand can't clap. Yeah, so we have to give credit where due, right? And people wasn't sure if you had it in you to be able to stand up on that stage. People wasn't sure if Amari had it in her to stand up on that stage. Well, as we can see from the footage, your name was called out, and they were introducing you, and Amari ran out. That was her first downfall.
Yeah, that was thank you. That was her first. Running at my space.
Yeah, that was her first.
Chink.
Yeah, that was her first. That was her first mistake. That was her first mistake. When she ran out, from there she kind of lost the crowd a little bit, because she didn't give the host the time to give you exactly. So when it was her time to get introduced,
she invaded my space.
Exactly.
And that's what she done now. When she come on the stage again, I don't know what she did on my face. I just stop my breath. Stop my breath. For blank out.
Was the breath hot? Was it smelling?
I wouldn't say, because I don't remember. You understand me? Just at the moment we just block her out, because instead of taking up up her, I say, hey, girl, in England, we live, you know.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you human sarcastic, yeah.
Yeah.
Just do my, where you are, be fat. Tell me, please. If I'm not feeling watch the video. If it was for 10 seconds, it was entertaining.
It was.
No, it was.
She performed me to the last, but that made me feel so proud, yeah. To show you that when I can put my on the ground, step up on me, and get up and wash up myself and say, please.
You still continue to try to perform, you still got yourself out there. And still
But that's what I like, because even with all the fracas and the distraction, yeah, all Queenie they don't pun. Yo, one at a time, Mr. Queenie run, yeah? And then one at a time, Queenie in a circle. See the circle, yeah? And that's why it was so funny, because I was in my front room, I was so proud, but it was so funny to me because Amari was going deeper and deeper into a hole that she built for herself, you know. And what Queenie done is used all that energy, that negative energy, and just sapped it into herself, because the crowd were so frustrated with Amari, and Amari couldn't see it. So, Queenie was smart. Anyhow, Queenie got sidetracked and started to go into Amari now, then the crowd will just be looking at the two of them like, what is this? You know what I'm trying to say?
He held your composure well, especially when she was doing that, right?
But people didn't expect you to do that. I feel like she wanted a fight. I feel like she came for the fight because she expected you to...
You know what happened? If you become a face and defense,
Yeah.
people are aggressive.
Yeah.
But that's where they go wrong. Me, if you was in front of my face, it's a different cause me it's like I'm like someone who easily sorry for someone.
Yeah.
So my girl still asked Amari, I made the interview with her, I said, me not go to the trouble. Oh God. Yeah, you understand me? She's no challenge to me.
Yeah.
I'm hyperactive, I'm frisky, I'm crazy. I could have hold the mic, I could have slide and kick, I could have done many things. I'm frisky.
Yeah.
It's like a tomboy.
Yeah.
So when we look at it, it's disadvantage. Why would I want to prove on her? So instead of that, I'm just human.
You wasn't gonna make that stop your opportunity on a
That's another thing. I would paint a bad picture on myself.
Exactly.
Being on my Instagram, I don't know, it's different. Now you have this big platform now where you know so the world want because I don't want to paint that picture that for me thing. So I just play the fool and just say, hey, what you get me run for my life you see.
Yeah.
Amari.
Yeah.
It's a world boss, I'm a fly world class.
Yeah.
You say, stick around me to the piggy wicked swat.
Yeah. It's just natural, yeah.
Because I never know if I tear off my clothes and all of them something there.
Yeah.
I didn't even get to endorse the little wedding dress. You know, she just attacked me. But it's good.
Queenie, when Amari was doing all of this, yeah, because just some things I just want to clarify because I wasn't there, but I could only say what I see. You were there, so I want you to clarify it from your mouth, yeah. On the stage, when Amari done what she done, I saw a girl in a pink wig running with a red wig. Yeah? That was her daughter, Destiny, right? Alright, cool. I saw her running in, and I thought, because it looked like she was going in to fight Amari, but then I realized she was going in to put the wig back on her head and end up get boxed. She got a box, yeah? I saw that part. After this whole thing was done, I saw you walking with your little entourage past her, and she was saying some words or something like that. And I think her daughter and her got into something, and she threw water in her daughter's face. So all these little things, yeah. Even though I believe Amari is an actress and whatever, you made you created some havoc, Queenie. You caused some havoc. I'm not gonna lie behind the scenes.
I just want natural energy people hate my fire because I'm so nice. If somebody don't this, I don't this them back. And if somebody not trouble me, I'm not trouble them. So it's my nice energy and get out with life. We just laugh everything, it's a balance.
So,
but Amari disrespect me in so many ways, she provoke me.
That's why I mentioned it.
Proud of
that's why I mentioned it.
She spit by me, she abused my backstage, she abused my side stage.
Yeah, this is why I brought it up. I had a feeling.
And then she gets up still and cry, and I'm like, I'm just a humble dad.
No, Boom Fashion, I brought this up for a reason, and it's not to be mixed up or stir up anything. The reason I brought it up is because this is what I saw visually through a screen, so I can only imagine what you saw, and you handled it, how you handled it, Queenie, with your composure.
You see, because some of the little pig as people see me is because I'm aggressive, I'm fierce as people see. It's like I feel like I have no feelings.
Yeah.
But I'm a very skeptic person.
Yeah.
And I am very sensitive. But if you don't know Johnny, I just know Queenie again. So you just feel like say, I like a horrible part because it's when we reach on the stage and the dress stop.
Yeah.
And she come up and say, I said, Jesus Christ, that's easy to hear no mind. It's like to myself.
Yeah.
Because really being the sentiment girl with me is, yeah. I stole me, use a little bird out of a tree in a bridge.
Yeah, yeah.
Understand me? It's true. I
Yeah.
can't, what can I do you? If I want something out of the tree, I take a stone
Yeah.
and seal it.
Mm-hmm.
So and it's very straight. So I have the mic. I say, no, time and place, more my grammy. She not drive me to paint no bad picture to the world.
Yeah, yeah. I like that.
So we just...
Did you have any idea before the clash that this could have happened and how you were going to handle it, or was it just totally spur of the moment, you just dealt with it on the spot, or did you have a little inclination that this could...
No little clue and nothing.
Okay.
Them say, Shara come down about do it, them and
Okay.
tell me what to say.
Okay, okay.
And then my husband now talk to me, so I not study nothing, just lock up in the house.
So all this time, you and him wasn't even good either?
No.
Okay.
Yes, so the time them not talk to me, no one nobody tell me nothing, Bridget.
Yeah.
Kind of everybody has said something into your head, but at the moment, the time when it come now, I'm going to go up on the stage now and say, I'm my time. I said, no, more people here, run.
Yeah,
That is what delay all of it, and I think it's God works.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because it could have ended differently.
Yeah, that's how it was to work.
Yeah.
I'm a shot at me, I said to myself, that's why I'm sorry you're crazy.
Yeah.
Can you imagine me asking she if she crazy? Are you threatened by the queen? Because obviously you're threatened because you don't give me the chance to even say good evening, Sting.
Alright, so on that note, we're going to wrap up that part. But before we just wrap up that part and move on, because we're doing it in chronological order, obviously you made a song, yeah? I did play a clipping of that song, about 40 seconds of it on this show when you were still in Jamaica, and I put it on TikTok and it just went viral. Literally just went viral.
I remember.
Yeah, and so the people, they loved that and so forth. Again, was that part of the plan again? Did you know that, or it just happened? Okay. Can you tell us how that song came about?
Because my husband again,
Yeah.
when he talked to me and vexed me, and me vexed back with him too.
Yeah.
So New Year's Day,
Mm-hmm.
my friend called me and said to me, say, when my father and Vice Cartel the song, the Sting, they
Yeah.
do a song after.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, yeah.
the Sting couple days I ended the know. So I'm saying, yeah, that's true. I write when a friend sorry, my bro.
Okay.
Never is. You say, email put a fact today. You know, see me at plus tax, me no broke like cuff the queen, no pay tax.
Production, do we have the Plus Tax music video? If you can line that
No,
up,
I
please.
have plan.
Line that up, please.
Okay,
The video's clean.
okay,
Yeah, line that up.
please.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please.
one of them sweet to the baby girl, please.
Yeah, sure, go for it.
Thank you.
On the screen is the Plus Tax video, guys, so you can see. Yeah, man. Nice video. The audio for the video is on, right? You can turn it down.
I'm putting that work, you know.
Yeah, because look at the video. Even the video is so clean.
Yes, nice. JB.
Who? JB Productions, yeah?
In America.
Yeah, I know JB Productions, yeah.
Jesus Christ, woman, I run my dog.
And you're putting footage from there as well.
Yeah, nice. I mean, that's still 2022. I don't like it, it done that, then can't take it back. Representing our UK colours. What's that? Blue, red, and white. I'm here on a better queen, you know.
No noise from me, boy. Man, no, what that? Look, nothing from me.
You know, some at plus tax, when I brought like sperm, the queen, no pay tax.
Queenie about sweet to them.
When you want to lick me fat. There are amount of people who want to lick me. That now make everything go.
To the people them asking, where's your husband to support you? And I soon find out where I'm there. It's so fast.
My husband there,
Yeah.
my husband always support me in them art and anything. So I'm not because he don't see me, don't mean him not support me. It's my husband. Thank you. He gave me that chance to be his lovely wife. Thank you.
All right, so this is Queenie plus text, so you guys can go stream the song, download the song. It's out right now on all platforms. Really liking the video as well. Queenie, the video is clean. All right, so now let's move on from that now, cause we don't want to talk about this Sting thing for the whole time. You know, Sting and Wing, and it done a lot for you. So let's move on from the whole Sting thing. What I do know is one of the positives, or well, it's a huge positive for you since Sting. You didn't just come back home to England after Sting. You didn't. You was in Jamaica for so long. And I don't know if you can put up one of my favorite parties in Jamaica, Sands.
Oh my God!
Find the Sands for me, please, production.
Sands and
We need Dewey over here, you know.
Sands and
we need Dewey right there. Boom. Yeah, you have to help me, you know. We need Dewey right there.
And then Dewey. That's a Dewey. Oh my God, what's the queen? No, I would have said many artists earlier on. Look at that. Look at phone life.
Wait, one second. Production, do me a favor. Queenie, don't say nothing for 1 minute. Just don't say nothing. Production, pause this video, please. I'm just going to put some context into this video. Just really quickly. Sands, one of the biggest parties in Jamaica when it comes on to premium parties, all right? Big up Nino, big up Shanzi. I've been to several Sands myself. Very nice party, very nice event. This event, I did not see Queenie on no flyer, so nobody actually knew that Queenie was going to be at this event. And this is why this event is actually so amazing to me, because I'm going to play the video, and before Queenie even opened her mouth or said a word, right, you're going to hear the reaction from the crowd. Now, this is what I look at as a DJ, as a producer, as a promoter. I look at the crowd reaction. Is the artist in demand? Do people want to see her? Do people know her songs or his songs, whatever? That's what I look at, yeah? So forget the song that Queenie even going to sing. Just look at the reaction from the crowd as Queenie stood onto the stage and you just heard the little instrumental of her song. Just listen, just watch Phone Light and listen to the crowd reaction. Now you can play the video from the start, please, production. Thank you with the volume. Turn the volume up inside here. Production, stop it right there. Stop it right there, G. Alright. Big up Boom Boom. Big up Chris Diamond. So, as you can see, Queenie hadn't even sung a single word at this point. And then, when you say the crazy, it's like they get even more crazier. Queenie, how does it feel to walk into a stage and you don't even need to say a word? You just do this.
Listen, just to do that.
Yeah,
listen. Suppose we tell over his sons.
Oh.
Sure, because you really did them say sons. I keep me some of them sons. Sons, they were alright. I mean, that Jamaica never knows the son I keep. I'm saying, I get Devante, I'm call Devante. I say, Devante, my last sons. I say, now, I say, may I go back? Call them stretch out. When they made them around 9 gates, you know, and the stadium. So reach out and get lost. I'm a better officer, me Winston, can you let me? The man let me. Drive our next part and let me. They said the third part, the man said, no, you can't come through now. Ticket. I said, my officer, me Winston, the man said, why run at gate 9? He just started. It's a self-love, I'm self-belief.
Yeah.
You hear what I'm saying? He said, motivating and elevating myself. I said, I reach on at gate 9. One man in the name Sandria, I hope Sandria watch. When them let in open the gate like this to let in the car, them say me can't come in because I'm not on the bill. So you know the gate open for the cars, but I am an individual person in it, and I am determined. So you see when them let in the car, them rest the artists them, and now let me in now. This is the gate I go lock back for the car, but remember me is not a car now. You know, I'm like a white dress, but just come out of my car and just walk through the gate. So me now, I walk through the gate, here's Sanjay now, lock again. But remember, me is not a vehicle, me is a person. So when the gate for lock, so me still I walk through, I'm go in front of him, I say, good evening, sir. I'm Queenie. It's by the time I say I'm Queenie. Say, no. I scan on road up on the bill and one next day I go, no. One little puppy there, I'm sorry, thank you very much, at least I try. And I went back and I sat in the car. And Devante make one call. And so Queen for me, when this thing I come and stand and can't come in. You see when them come from the same gate? When them shut me out and when I walk through, the man run me. I drive treatment and when I park, man, the same man run me. When I see when we get through, because some higher security comes to me, I didn't want to say get through. Because when the man run me, you saw me see some of our sons and take the show. Boom said to me, say, Queenie, may I call up there? You can't jump up on the stage. And I said, I say crazy never did. And try all me up on the stage, you know. Me never book feed energy. And look at the applause. You understand me?
So this is okay. So you're talking about your natural energy. This is a question that I want.
The man run me.
Now we've gone from social media influencer to an artist. Do you feel like people in the music